Hello, this is Leanne Kendrick, and I am going to give you a little demonstration of how to create a Pac-Man shape with CSS. I have created an HTML here. We have our class for our Pac-Man, and then our class for our cherries. It's just from a Wikipedia Commons. I just thought it'd be fun for him to have something to eat. So there you go. In our CSS, we have our Pac-Man class referenced. And I have him floating left so that he floats to the left of the cherries so he can eat the cherries. We're going to use the border attribute in CSS to create our shapes. And let's go ahead and we're going to start with our border right. And then we're going to make about 260 pixels big. And I want to make it solid transparent. Okay, that is because Pac-Man has a mouth. Okay, so that part will be that. And then we're going to do our border top, 260 pixels, solid gold, because Pac-Man's gold. Oh, and check it out. It shows up right there. Beautiful, isn't it? All right, let's do our border left, 260 pixels, solid. I'm going to say red so that we can see where it lands. There you go. Border bottom, 260 pixels, solid, let's say green. There you go. Oh, I spelled something wrong. Oh, I didn't spell anything wrong. I put in the wrong because I might call it. There we go. So we have our borders, our transparent, our gold, our red, and our green. And we're going to use border radius to round our Pac-Man into a circle. So let's start with our border top left radius. Again, we're going to stick with our 260 pixels. That's how you make a circle. Things are consistent. See, it rounded our border top. Okay. Now we'll do our border top right. And the radius, 260 pixels. Ta-da! Now we'll do our border bottom left. Radius, 260 pixels. And then we'll do our border bottom right. 260 pixels. And if you did everything right, you got them all around. You can see Pac-Man's going for that cherry, but let's just change these colors now. Simple CSS change. And we now have a Pac-Man eating our cherries. There it is. Thank you.